Hi folks, welcome to Peppy Learning. In this video, you're going to learn about Predicate, which is one of the built-in functional interface in Java 8. Its use is in functional programming. Predicate is one of the core built-in functional interface in Java 8. Predicate is one of the widely used functional interface. Predicate is used to filter the data. Let us see a program and review it again. I have opened Neon 2 Eclipse workspace, which got a project called Java 8. Under com.pp.j8.fun.programming, I would like to create a class. I right click on this, new class. I would like to name this class as Predicate Fun Programming Demo. I choose public static void main, say finish. I delete the auto-generated to-do code by the tool. Now in this class, I would like to demonstrate, let's say I have a bunch of universities and I would like to display the universities and two scenarios. The first one, I would like to display the university based on the continent. The second one, I would like to show the university whether it is eligible for autonomous. So for that, I need to have a class called university. I right click on the functional programming package, new class university, and I would like to add a couple of fields. So here the first field is string name, which is university name, and integer strength, student strength, string country, string continent. Now my fields are ready in this class. Now I would like to add getters, setters and constructors. I use shortcut for this. So if you see here, I have required constructors and getter setters. Now university class is ready to use in Predicate functional programming demo. I open Predicate functional programming demo. Here I would like to add list of universities. So I use list of university. I call this object as universities equal to new array list. For this universities list, I'd like to add bunch of universities. So I say universities dot add new university. I'm going to build this object with the help of constructor. Say name of the university is Nagarjuna University and its strength is, let's say, 5300, and it is in India. Its continent is Asia. Now I'd like to add a couple of more universities. Say universities dot add new university, and this time I'd like to say the university name is Berkeley University, and it got a strength of 18,200. It is in USA and its continent is America. Now I would like to add one more, say universities dot add new university. The university name I would like to mention is Chicago University, which got a student strength of 6,100, which is in USA and continent is America. Finally, I would like to add one more university to the universities dot add. I say new university. So here I'd like to provide the university name as Reva University, and it got a strength of 1500 and it's based out of India and continent is Asia. Now data is ready to process. Here I would like to create a method. In the method, I would like to pass these universities. In the first scenario, I would like to check whether these universities are eligible for autonomous. So for that reason, I create a method, say public process universities, which takes two parameters. The first one is list of universities, say university list, and second one is predicate. Predicate takes university and we can call it as uni predicate. Now this one returns list of university. So the return type of this method is list of university. I save this. Now specification of the method is complete. I need to implement this piece of code. For that, first we need to have a loop of universities. So I go and use for each. This will take university, say each university. Now this university will be tested with the help of this functionality called university predicate, uni predicate. So I go ahead and say uni predicate. I say if uni predicate dot, the method which is used here is test. So we pass each university. This specific method is returning list of universities, where we can go ahead and say list of university, say uni list equal to new array list. Now the return type is same, so I choose here, say return university list. Now if you see, the compiler is happy, there is no more compilation errors, but the functionality is not yet complete. Now I'm trying to loop through the universities. Each university will make through this test. If it is passed, we should add that one to the uni list. So here it is university list dot add. So that means in case if the university passed to the condition which we pass for the predicate, then that will be returned as part of the list of university. So in our first scenario, what we need to do is we can call process universities from the main method. For that reason, we need to specify static keyword for this method. I go ahead and call process university. This will take list of university as a first parameter. Second parameter is predicate. So for that reason, I'll go ahead and create a predicate here, say predicate. This predicate will take university and I call it as university predicate. I pass this university predicate as parameter to the process universities. Now we need to implement this predicate. For this, I am writing bare minimum syntax of the lambda expression. So here it takes university, so I can say here as univer. So if it is one parameter, you don't require parenthesis. Now here I'm going to have only one statement in the body. For that reason, I'm deleting the flower braces. I say university dot get strength greater than 2000. So this is what is the condition I need to pass. Now if any of the university which is greater than 2000 are eligible for atomicity, so I go ahead and say this specific method will return as the list of university. Say list of university. I go here and say list of university autonomous university equal to. Now I can go ahead and say sysout autonomous university count. So you can call it as autouni dot size. When I execute this program, I right click, run as Java application. You can see the output autonomous university count is 3 because we have passed, if it is greater than 2000 strength, it is eligible for atomicity, except Treva University, rest of are eligible. So for that reason, you can see 3 universities are eligible. So that is what is our first condition. The second one, we would like to show you the universities based on the continent. Say I would like to print the universities of Asian continent. So I can go ahead and say university predicate, say continent. See when I have added for this university dot get continent dot equals to Asia. We want the Asia universities. For that reason I have mentioned Asia. Now I say Asian universities. Now this university predicate continent we need to pass here. I can say Asian university count. So I use this variable Asian university count here and save it. When I execute this program, I say run as Java application. You can see the output as Asian university count is 2. You can see here 2 Asian universities. In this class we have demonstrated we passed list of universities to the process universities, and we pass the predicate functionality where it will filter the data based on the criteria we pass. In the first one, for autonomous, if the student strength is greater than 2000, and in the second scenario we are asking for Asian universities. Predicate is used to filter the data which returns Boolean return type. Thanks for watching.